Hello there, Carrie Shockley with Shockley Bookkeeping and Tax Services. This is part 3 of our Bookkeeping Horror Stories edition. So I do own an accounting firm located in Broken Arrow, Oklahoma, Shockley Bookkeeping and Tax Services, and we offer bookkeeping, payroll, sales tax, and tax services to people across the nation. And I just have come across some stories that I feel are beneficial to share with you. I think it will help you in making sure you have good checks and balances with your business, and then also making sure that when you're looking for someone to do your books, you know what things to look for. So here we go. Let's dive in. I got some stories right here. Okay, story number 1. Payroll Disaster Friday. A manufacturing company with 40 employees outsourced payroll to a small accounting firm. Friday morning arrived. Nobody got paid. Wow. Employees were furious. Some walked out. Others threatened legal action. The accounting firm later admitted someone accidentally submitted payroll using last month's banking file. Wrong amounts, wrong accounts, complete chaos, and the owner said it was the worst day in company history. Now, mind you, I know that there are companies that have made mistakes, but this is astronomical. So, to say the least, it's quite a big deal to make sure that whoever runs your payroll knows what they're doing, knows when to pay the taxes, knows when to pay your employees. Make sure you find the right person to do that. Story number 2, the CPA who disappeared. Now, this is a story that I found, but people have come in looking for business through our company that this has actually happened to before. A small business owner trusted a CPA who suddenly became impossible to reach during tax season. No calls, no emails, no office hours, and weeks later, the owner discovered the CPA had abruptly shut down the practice and disappeared while still holding client records and unfinished tax filings. Deadlines were missed, extensions expired, and several businesses had to rebuild years of financial records from scratch. Now, mind you, I've had that happen before when someone came to us because the CPA had passed away and they were not communicating. And then the children had to take over and help all of the companies transition to somebody else because the children of the CPA or the person that owned the accounting firm, they were not accountants and they knew nothing about accounting. They didn't want to know anything about accounting. They just wanted to get it off their plate and transition everything. So at least there was somebody they could contact. So, okay, last story number 3, the employee expense scam. A small marketing agency gave employees company cards for travel and supplies. Nobody checked receipts closely because the office culture was laid back. Then a new accountant noticed recurring charges. So here we go. Streaming services, luxury dinners, vacation resorts, even online gaming purchases. Wow. Yeah, that's not good. One employee had quietly charged over $90,000 in personal expenses to the company over several years. The owners said the betrayal hurt more than the money. You know, we had someone come to us that they were allowing someone to manage all of their accounting for them. And what happened was they were actually opening up bank accounts and credit card accounts similar to that of the companies. So when the payments came through and the owner saw it, they didn't question it because it looked like it was going into their business checking, or it looked like it was a payment going into, or a payment from the business checking to the similar credit card company. And this person worked for this company and stole over $400,000 over the course of 13 years. That person was then put in prison for stealing money from this company. So we have seen so many things. We have dealt with so many people that have gone through such major hardships. And at Shockley Bookkeeping, our goal is to make sure that there is what we consider a neutral third-party response. We want to make sure that we take care of you, that there is checks and balances, there is integrity in what we're doing. So if you're interested in bookkeeping or payroll services, please reach out to us. We're located in Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. Our phone number is 615-8380. We look forward to hearing from you, and I hope that these stories have helped you in your business to hopefully identify some pitfalls before they come. God bless. Have a great day. Bye-bye.